A peaceful intersection in Toronto's East End erupted into chaos when a century-old water main broke, causing a massive sinkhole and flooding nearby homes. The damage disrupted traffic, displaced families, and exposed a city grappling with aging infrastructure. Let's break down what happened, why it matters, and how the city is responding. Chapter 1. The collapse that stunned the neighborhood. Late one Wednesday night, residents of Coxwell and Cosburn streets heard a disturbing rumble. A water main dating back to the 1920s failed. Its bell joint had separated, unleashing a surge of water that washed away pavement and swallowed part of the intersection. A large sinkhole formed almost instantly. Basements in at least 8 nearby homes flooded before city crews arrived. Chapter 2. The city's response. Emergency crews worked through the night to isolate the water main break, drain the flooding, and patch the damaged pipe. By Sunday afternoon, a few days later, the intersection reopened to traffic, but the event sparked renewed concern over Toronto's outdated underground infrastructure. Chapter 3. Resident frustration and warning signs. This was preventable, said neighbor Evelyn Ruiz, who called 911 at 10 p.m. as water seeped through the pavement. But help didn't arrive until around 3:30 a.m. She said city staff had previously warned the area was at risk. Many wondered, if this could happen here, what about other intersections under decades-old pipes? Chapter 4. The bigger picture, aging infrastructure. Toronto's water infrastructure is extensive and aging. Experts, like University of Toronto's infrastructure director Matti Siemiatycki, warn that unless the city puts repair and monitoring systems in place, similar failures are bound to increase. The sinkhole incident could well be a warning shot. Conclusion. What began as a calm summer night in the city ended in disruption and concern. A single pipe failure brought traffic to a stop, homes were flooded, and safety was questioned. Toronto's Coxwell Cosburn sinkhole is a snapshot of how aging infrastructure can unravel daily life. The urgent question now: how will the city rise to the challenge?